All right, guys, so my car is finally back from Tesla, and it should not need to go back for any of the preliminary corrections that needed to be made. I've had the car for almost 2 months now, and it has 102 miles on it, so I haven't even been able to drive it. The body shop did fix the paint chip, so that front fender's been repainted, but now I've got to wait for it to cure before I can clear bra the car. So in the next few weeks while I'm waiting, I might as well just start modding the car. So we are finally going to get this MPP Coilover Conversion Kit on my car with some old camber arms that I've had sitting around, so I'm just going to repurpose these, put these on this car, and of course I'm going to put some Aspira AF-10s, some Ford 19 9.5s on it with some 265/35/19 summer tires, and I can't wait to see what my car looks like once it's been dropped with these wheels looking good, not stock anymore, so let's get it going. Check it out, guys, my Highland's done. The MPP Coilover conversions are on it. I'm a little bit lower than I wanted, but I actually like it because I've got my 19 9.5 Aspira AF-10s on here with some 265/35/19s. If I had 275s like I usually do, then I'd have probably had it up just a little bit more. But check it out, we've got about like a 1 1/4, 1.5 finger gap. I'm gonna get some more miles on this thing. I'm gonna give you guys some more reviews because this stuff is gonna stay on my car for some time. But yeah, check it out, walk around. It looks so good. These are the satin graphite AF-10s. You can see right here, just under a 2 finger gap right here. I'm not on level surface, but the car should be really even and level. We've measured it on the alignment rack. Okay, check this out, stealth gray. Satin graphite, AF-10s, MPP Coilover conversions. I've got the front lower control arm bearings on it. I've got the brake brace on it, and I have the rear camber arms on it. So this thing has got its complete stage 1 modification list, and it feels so good. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. We have all the products available in stock, ready to ship. Thanks for your guys' support.